Welcome to the Foundations of Reading 190 Test Preparation online course. This is lesson number 1 of the course, and by the end of this video, you will know everything you need to know regarding the overview and framework of the Foundations of Reading 190 test. Make passing the Foundations of Reading test a breeze. Click the link in the description to enroll in the course and receive instant access to the study guide. The Foundations of Reading test aims to measure the examinee's understanding of in-depth research-based reading and writing development. This online course covers the Foundations of Reading 190 test. The test has 100 multiple choice questions, 2 constructed response questions, and this is all taken on the computer. The total testing time is 4 hours, and you can take breaks, but the time keeps ticking while you are on a break. Passing scores are determined by each participating state, but we'll show you exactly what you'll need to know to pass on the next slide. Lastly, there are a total of 4 Foundations of Reading sub-areas that are covered on this test. Each state chooses both the required test, for example, either the 190 or the 90, as well as the score that's needed to pass. As you can see, Arkansas has 233, Mississippi 233, New Hampshire 240, North Carolina 229, Wisconsin 240, Massachusetts also 240, and then Ohio is at 220. Take a look, pause the video, read this table, and learn what you need to take and what you need to get in order to pass the test. The first 3 sub-areas of the Foundations of Reading test are used in the multiple choice section of the exam. As we can see, the first sub-area, Foundations of Reading Development, account for the highest percent, which is 35%. Sub-area number 2, which is Development of Reading Comprehension, is the next largest weighted section on the test, which accounts for 27% of the exam. And sub-area number 3, which is Reading Assessment and Instruction, accounts for 18% of this exam. The open response essay questions account for a total of 20% of your Foundations of Reading test. This is broken down by having 2 essay questions that are each worth 10%. In this course, we detail how to write a passing response to both of your open response questions. Now, let's keep going. The Foundations of Reading test has 3 sub-areas. You can think of these like domains or overarching topics. Within these topics, the test creators have included objectives that detail the Foundations of Reading topics needed to know to pass your test. Here we list them so you know the topics that you need for your test, as well as which topics are covered in this course and in the study guide. We have linked the topics covered in the course directly with both our study guide and the online course so that you are 100% prepared. Objective number 1 includes phonological and phonemic awareness, concepts of print, and the alphabetic principle. Objective number 2 within the sub-area number 1 includes phonics, high-frequency words, and spelling, which is also called orthography. Objective number 3 includes word analysis skills and strategies, including syllabication, structural or morphemic analysis, and orthographic skills. Objective number 4 is fluency at all stages, which includes accuracy, rate, and prosody. Let's continue to sub-area number 2. Here we have objective number 5, which begins as promoting academic language development, including vocabulary development. Then objective 6 includes promoting comprehension and analysis of literary texts. Objective 7 includes the comprehension of informational texts. Let's move on to sub-area number 3. Here we have 2 objectives, objective number 8 and 9. Number 8, which begins as evidence-based practices for assessing reading development. And then objective number 9, which is the best practices of reading instruction. Now we're beginning sub-area number 4, which is the essay section. Let's look at essay number 1. This is also objective number 10. Here, the objective is to prepare an organized, developed analysis on a topic related to the development of foundational reading skills. The objective for your second open-ended response question is to prepare an organized, developed analysis on a topic related to the development of reading comprehension.